finna go. They say go to Blue. Go get him. He on parallel. He might got that shit. Go get that nigga.
Alright, YouTube, bro. What up, my boy? I got a special video for y'all, man. Shout out to my lady, bro. This her brother car. I know y'all see the I can't let y'all see too much right now. That's what I'm gonna say to y'all. I'm gonna try to get that bitch started up. So y'all gonna see me kind of take the shit off the shit. I did a lot of organizing for y'all preamp. So I'm gonna just speed this shit up as I'm doing it. What they call it, a overlay or overlap. Well, anyway, I'm watching Lil Boosie. Feel me? I got Lil Boosie on in the back. He look like me. Ugly. But yeah. Got the battery over there. Y'all seen that in my last video. Y'all knows I got the battery over there. When y'all see what's under this bitch, don't get mad at me. I just know I got one.
It get hot in that kitchen, boy.
It get hot in that kitchen, boy.
And everything may not work properly.
Alright, man. Alright, man. Y'all see me doing it in the time lapse, man. I got the extension cord for you boys, man. We gonna start from the front.
They gotta be fed.
We gonna start from the front of that thing. Woo!
Whether you wanna go sit down and eat and plate yourself, you realize ain't nobody cook for you.
God damn. Alright, y'all. She was kind of arrested, man.
Yes, sir. You got first one, boy.
Two people got killed out the Omaha. Stay out of Omaha, bro. They gotta see it from a more different perspective. Y'all see that bit? Y'all see that bit? That bit right. That bit is right. Even from this angle, that bit right. Alright, babe. Alright, now boom. Explain who car this is. Yeah, explain who car this is.
Alright, this is my brother's car. So like, we had it since 2015, and it hasn't been touched in a couple of years.
In a couple of years. Look at that motherfucker die. How many years?
Probably 3 years.
3 years?
Dang, I can't.
Use the muscles, girl. This a bad motherfucker, boy. Open the door. Get in that thing.
Right, no,
Get in there.
Sprinkle wraps in there.
I'll get in there. Come look at the interior. Come check us out. This is what we got going on sitting in here. All right, y'all. Boom. We got the insides die. This that OG. That OG. I can't let y'all see too much, man, but we got, look. So look, my boy. We got all black leather on the interior, feel what I'm saying? We got the motherfucking wooden drive shaft, you know what I'm saying? We got cracking on the headboard, but that's is expected, you feel what I'm saying? A little cracky yacky. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna put y'all on too much, but let's see if we can get in here and start that bit up. Alright, down here they're a little rusty. But we you know what I meant. A little dirty, got a little dust on it. A little clean, I'll clean it. Anyway, you know what I'm saying? They a little cobwebby. But they got them 20 balls on it. Hey, bro, this is what I really want to show y'all. Hold on. Let me close this door. Need some oil, baby. This is what I really want to show y'all, though. Feel me? This is what I really want to get to. Let's get down here, right here. Woo! Yeah. Anyway, we gonna pop the hood in a minute after we do what Dutra said. That, you know what I'm saying? All right, we in there, bit. Where the keys at?
We started doing that.
Okay. So we need a battery. Make sure you even got the right keys. Huh?
Did you try every key?
Nope. All right, y'all. We got nothing. We got nothing in here. All right, y'all. So I'm gonna put it in that bit one more time. We ain't get no kick, man. We got nothing. We got nothing. Why you just watching? All right, come on. Let's pop the hood, my boy. It's a bad motherfucker right here.
Hey, yo!
Okay. Why you wait?
Put your lips on live. I get $1,000.
Let me find the latch. Find the latch.
Put that thing on live. I get $1,000.
No. Ready?
Yeah.
Can I get a drum roll, please? Ah. Woo! This a heavy motherfucker. God damn!
You sure it's rusty under here?
It don't matter, boy. This bitch so sexy, boy. But my question to you, where the fuck the battery go?
Over there. It's empty for a reason. Where am I lying?
Nah, it go right here.
Yeah.
We got... We got the red and black terminal. Can you see?
Yeah.
D, we got the red and black terminals. Damn!
What?
Somebody snipped his line.
Well, that's why my dad said he the only one that know how to start it up. So it starts up. It's just a certain way.
Certain way. Is it these two motherfuckers? Call your daddy. Yeah, y'all. They got this motherfucker nigga rigged at the moment.
How Jay look at it? Or y'all ain't talking to him right now?
Oh, we ain't no talking to him. We ain't mad at each other.
Hood.
Oh shit, he gonna be happy as fuck to come look at this bitch. Oh, when he see this motherfucker. But anyway, y'all, let me see. Anyway, y'all, like I was saying, the motherfucking this red motherfucker clip for the positive motherfucker. But here go the negative terminal right here. So I'm trying to see something because these motherfuckers is connected to something back there. It ain't really no space back here. But this thing is also connected. Feel what I'm saying? And it's wrapped black. So I'm trying to see something. I'm trying to figure out what engine is this.
Stay in here.
Do not hurt yourself. Yeah, there's a lot of shit going on right now. It look pretty good in here though. Just need a good cleanup. We need to figure out what's going on over there with those motherfucking terminals over there. The engine fluids and shit like that. We gonna start coming down here and come looking at this motherfucker, man, and trying to see what we could do. Get it been running alongside mine and shit like that, man. That's motherfucker. Damn. Damn. Hold on. That's a bad motherfucker. Yeah, that's a bad motherfucker. But this bitch right here, we gonna need a new filter. Cause that motherfucker is done for. So y'all seen a lot of the car, man. It's a 454 on 24s. You feel what I'm saying? The fucking battery terminals is what we need to be worried about for this motherfucker at the moment. Once we get the battery terminals and the battery and shit figured out, and we get it bit rolling and moving, we gonna get it a good cleanup and a good startup. You know what I'm saying? With the bad motherfucker outside, the bad Impala outside, we gonna figure this shit out and shit, the things of that nature. We gonna take one more look around the inside. Let's just get in that bit, man. All right, y'all, last run of the little shit. Feel what I'm saying? It look real beautiful in here, man. Y'all seen the sound system. The sound system was crazy. Rag top. Feel what I'm saying? You can't really go wrong with this motherfucker, you feel me? We gonna need this. Yeah, we gonna need this. For sure. Ah! So this where the fuck you been at? Alright, boys, that was a little quick video of the 454, man. A little quick joint. I was happy y'all boys got to see that bit, man. As I see, she is a bad mama jamma. Like, the man really did his thing with that bit, bruh. Y'all seen what was on? Just so we can get a better lighting on that bit. For the last time. Boy, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Boy, what? Yeah, man, she a bad motherfucker, man. Oh my gosh, she a bad motherfucker. We can look at the engine one more time. Go back over what I was saying. So this is a beautiful engine right here, fellas. Feel me? We gotta get it bit cleaned up and things of that nature. We really gotta figure out those battery terminals like we talked about previously, bro. Yeah, we gotta figure out them battery terminals over there, man. We need to, man, hey, man. Time to close her up, man. God damn, that be heavy. Anyway, fellas, got her back closed up. I just learned that her ass needs some TLC, as these old schools do. Need a little TLC, man. This was actually an unexpected turn, my boy. So, y'all heard what all going on with that bit, man. It ain't much. But we gotta figure it out. Yeah. So that's the end of the video, boys. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. Say, man, hey man, your girl breath stank.